Well, it is a bit scary and weird. The wind came through, it sounded like a damn steam train. So it wouldn't surprise me if there's been a tornado through here somewhere. So I'm just going to look for the animals and make sure they're all okay and make sure the gates are shut and everything. So we'll go for a walk. Now it's come down to nothing. It just absolutely roared like a steam train. Everything all good here. Yep. Just go and make sure the pigs are okay. Ducks are noisy, but that pen there's alright. Move the chair over. They're okay. Come through here. Pen's alright. That pen's alright. That's secure. That's alright. Cow next door. So hopefully it's just a fuse out here. We'll just go and see if the pigs are. We'll just go and see if the pigs are all hunky-dory. Yep, can't see any tree. Can't see any trees down. It's all good. Yep. Yep. Pigs are all good. It all looks okay. Phew. Just shut them in to make sure they're okay. And this pen. Yep, they're okay. Everything looks good here. Yep. Yep, the Dorkings are all tucked up in their nice warm shed. So they're fine. Hey girls and boys. Hey? Good girls and boys. Hey Rowdy. My mangy little cat come out to check as well. Hey little boy. Hey? Little boy. Now. Yep. One tripped. Hopefully power will be back on again now.